In today's video, we're diving into something super important for your online presence, local SEO, specifically how you can use it to grow your small business website. And we'll be using one of my favorite tools, Semrush, to make it all easier. So if you're ready to boost your local search rankings and get more customers, then stick around. What exactly is local SEO? In simple terms, local SEO is all about optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. If you own a local bakery, plumbing service, or yoga studio, you want people in your area to find you easily when they search for your services on Google. That's where local SEO comes in. Why is local SEO so important? Well, think about it. When people need a service or product, they often search for it online. And if your business isn't showing up in those local searches, then you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential customers. Getting started with local keyword search. This is the foundation of any good SEO strategy. But instead of guessing which keywords might work, we're going to use data to find the best ones. And for this, we'll use Semrush, which is an awesome tool that can help us find profitable keyword opportunities. Step one is to list all your services, products, or offers. Write down everything that you want to be found for in your local area. For example, if you run a home cleaning business, your list might include standard house cleaning, deep cleaning, and exterior window cleaning. Or if you're an accountant, you may include tax preparation, payroll services, and tax projections. Step two, using Semrush for keyword research. Now, once you have your list, it's time to use Semrush to uncover the best keyword opportunities. And here's how you do it. What you're going to want to do is open up Semrush and find the keyword magic tool. So when you're logged into Semrush, you're going to find it over here on the left-hand side under keyword research and then click on the keyword magic tool. So then what you're going to do is take your first service and plug it into the keyword field. Go ahead and add your city name before or after the keyword since we're focusing on local SEO. And Semrush will generate a list of keywords related to your initial seed keyword. Now here you'll notice that there are a bunch of different columns with a bunch of different information. The key ones to look at are intent, volume, and KD or keyword difficulty. Let's break these down a little bit more. So analyzing keywords. Intent tells you why people are searching for that keyword. And there are several types of search intents, but for local businesses, you want to focus on commercial or C and transactional or T intents. Commercial intent means that people are looking into different brands or services, and transactional intent means that they're pretty much ready to buy. So here in Semrush, you'll find that right here under the intent. And for this example, I typed in tax preparation, San Diego, and here we can see a lot of these are at the C or the commercial intent, which for this example is a good thing. Next, look at the volume column. So this shows you how many searches each keyword gets per month. Higher volume means more potential traffic. And finally, we have KD or keyword difficulty. And this tells you how hard it will be to rank for that keyword. It's represented by both a number between 1 and 100, as well as it's color coded. So green means it's easy, yellow means it's moderate, and orange is hard, and red is very hard. 100 means it's going to be the hardest to rank for, and 1 means it's going to be the easiest to rank for. You want to find keywords with a good balance. So high enough search volume to be worth the effort, but low enough difficulty that you can realistically rank for them. Step 3, filtering keywords. To make this process easier, use some basic filters. What you can do is you can go ahead and switch to the related to find phrases that you might not have thought of. So up here in the top right, it automatically defaults to broad match. So if we come over here to related, here we can find some other related keywords that we might not have initially thought of. The next thing we're going to want to do is set some filters. So we're going to come up here to the keyword difficulty score. We're going to type in 0 to 49%. So that'll cover very easy, impossible in terms of keyword difficulty. And we can go ahead and click on apply. As for intent, we're going to want to select commercial and transactional and click apply. Now, remember to include your city name to get local keywords as well. Now we have a list of highly relevant keywords that are filtered that we should be able to rank for fairly easily. You can also use advanced filters to select keywords that generate local map pack results. Now, this is going to narrow down the list to highly relevant keywords that are easier to rank for. 5, reverse engineering competitors' keywords. Another great strategy is to see what keywords your competitors are ranking for. Here's how you do it. First, go to Google and search for a service that you offer. So by doing this, you can find successful keywords that your competitors are using and target those. So it's kind of like having a sneak peek into their SEO strategy. This way you can identify the exact terms that they're seeing success with, giving you a competitive edge. So what we can do, we'll go ahead, come to the San Diego tax preparation, copy that link, come back over here to domain overview, and we go ahead and paste that URL. And if we come down here to the organic research, now we can see the top organic organic keywords in this example a competitor is ranking for. So if we click on view details, now we can see the different keywords that they're ranking for, the volume, as well as the keyword difficulty score. Next up, let's talk about your Google business profile. This is crucial for local search success. So make sure that your profile is fully optimized. A well-optimized Google business profile can significantly improve your chances of appearing in local searches in the local pack. So make sure to add high quality photos, your business hours, and any special attributes like whether you offer online appointments or delivery. Here's a quick overview. Listing management. This tool allows you to automatically list and manage your business on top directories relevant to your business. It saves you a ton of time from manually adding and managing all your different listings. Review management. Here you can centralize all your reviews so you can respond quickly and manage your online reputation in one platform. This is crucial for maintaining a positive image and building trust with potential customers. Map rank tracker. Here you can monitor your Google Maps ranking with pinpoint accuracy. You can see how your business ranks for specific keywords in different locations, helping you adjust your strategy as needed. To use these tools, navigate to the Semrush Local app from the App Center. So if you're ready to take your local SEO to the next level, then be sure to sign up for Semrush Local using the link in the description below. Setting up your business listings. One of the first things that you should do is ensure that your business is listed consistently across all relevant directories. Search engines look for consistent information across the web to validate your business's credibility. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the Map Rank Tracker tool. This tool allows you to monitor your Google Maps ranking with pinpoint accuracy. The Map Rank Tracker will show you how visible your business is in different locations, which can help you adjust your local SEO strategy. 10. Managing reviews. Reviews play a huge role in local SEO. Positive reviews not only build trust with potential customers, but also signal to search engines that your business is reputable. Here's how you can manage reviews using Semrush Local. It centralizes all your reviews from various platforms in one place, so you can respond to reviews quickly, whether they're positive or negative. You can thank your happy customers and address any issues raised in negative reviews. You can use the feedback to improve your services and customer experience. By actively managing your reviews, you can improve your online reputation and attract more customers. Final tips for boosting local SEO. Ensure that your website is mobile friendly. More and more people are using their phones to search for local businesses, so make sure your website looks good and functions well on mobile devices. Use local schema markup. This helps search engines understand your content better, which can improve your chances of showing up in local searches. Create locally focused content. Write blog posts or create videos about local events, news, or topics related to your business. This can help you attract more local visitors to your site. Build local backlinks. Get other reputable local businesses to link to your site. This can improve your site's authority and help you rank higher in local searches. Engage with your community on social media. Share your local content, interact with local customers, and participate in community events online. This not only boosts your visibility, but helps you build strong relationships with your local audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to growing your small business website with local SEO using Semrush. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business. So don't wait to improve your local SEO. You can go ahead and get started with Semrush Local SEO by using our link in the description below and take advantage of all the powerful tools available. Here on this channel, we make a ton of videos on business and how to help new entrepreneurs succeed. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.